Hello and welcome to Cloud News. I am Steve Notch and today we will be talking about the haze. Today we have an expert. What is the cause of the haze?
Smoke haze from land and forest fires from neighboring countries during the traditional dry period between June and October has been a recurrent feature in the southern ASEAN region in the past few decades. These annual fires are caused mainly by land clearing and slash-and-burn agricultural practices in neighboring regions.
Does the impact of haze increase due to some specific conditions?
The smoke haze situation is usually increased when it coincides with the El Niño, a climatic phenomenon that often leads to prolonged and drier weather conditions in the region.
How can the haze monitoring be done?
Apart from satellite imageries, various haze-related information, air quality indicators and dispersion model forecasts are used as monitoring and assessment tools in regional fire and smoke haze surveillance.
When does the haze happen, and can it happen again?
Drier weather conditions in the region have led to an escalation in hotspot activities, mainly over central Sumatra. More than 100 hotspots were detected over Sumatra on 17th and 18th June last year. The smoke haze from the fires in Sumatra was brought over by prevailing winds blowing from the southwest or west, and affected Singapore. The hazy conditions could recur if the similar conditions happen any time in future.
How can we help solve the haze issue?
Haze particles may cause irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat in healthy individuals. Haze particles can affect the heart and lungs, especially in people who already have chronic heart or lung disease, e.g. asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, heart failure.
Can children also help in any way?
We should seek innovative and pragmatic avenues to work alongside neighboring countries to tackle the issue. There are 3 pathways for Singapore and other haze-affected countries to extend these efforts. The first is to regulate the activities of companies operating in land-based commodities sectors in the region to discourage land-burning practices. Secondly, affected countries could play a larger role in incentivizing regions' forest preservation activities. A mechanism focusing on reducing emissions for deforestation and forest degradation holds particular promise as it offers capital incentives for maintaining forests and the services which they provide. Thirdly, we need to look at advancement in technology for better air quality monitoring and a predictive model to forecast the air quality levels in future.
What are the effects of the haze?
Children can help in keeping themselves and their families safe by staying indoors when PSI levels are high. They can also help in distribution of face masks. Staying calm in the face of these kind of crisis will help build a stronger and resilient nation.